Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make a whole wheat tortilla and a delicious chicken tortilla wrap for our lunch. It is very easy to make, plus it is very healthy. So let's start by preparing the flour. I am using a whole wheat flour and in it has salt and baking powder. So please refer to the description box below. I am going to list down the ingredients there. So we just have to mix this so that all ingredients will be evenly distributed. And make a well at the center so that's where we are going to put the olive oil. If you do not have olive oil, you can use any kinds of oil or lard. Yeah, and then we are going to add boiling hot water. It is very important that we use hot water to this. And then mix it in gently until the dough will become a shaggy mass. Now we are going to transfer the dough into our work surface and knead this for about a minute or two. You don't have to add or you don't have to flour or oil the surface because this dough doesn't really stick to the surface. So as you can see, I didn't add any flour or oil. I am oiling the container where I am going to put my tortilla dough. Now we are going to shape the dough into a log and cut it into 4 equal pieces. After that, we are going to shape the dough into a ball and place it into an oiled container. After that, we are going to press the dough halfway down with our fingertips just to flatten it a little bit, but not like really flat. Just like that. And then we are going to brush the top with olive oil. This is to prevent the dough from drying out and forming a film on the top. Then we are going to cover it to keep the moisture in and let the dough rest for at least 30 minutes. While the dough is resting, we are going to pan grill the chicken. I am using an ironclad pan to grill my chicken, like pan grill. I'm not sure if you can do this on a stainless pan. This chicken has been marinated for at least 3 hours now. It has a lemon juice, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, and some paprika and powdered black pepper and salt, of course. And by the way, my pan is on high heat and this will cook the chicken really quick, maybe in less than 3 minutes. Yeah. So after some time, give it a flip, and just like when you're grilling outside or you're grilling on the electric grill or any grilling thing, we are going to baste the chicken fillet. This is to keep the chicken moist. My pan is smoking hot, but don't worry, it is not burning. It is really like that when you use iron pan or ironclad pan. So after each flipping, we are going to baste the chicken, yeah, to keep the moisture on each side. Is my kitchen full of smoke now? It's not really, because the exhaust fan is on. So all the smoke, as you can see, is going up. It's being sucked out of the house. Yeah. So chicken is done, and we are going to put it aside to cool down. Now we are going to go back to our tortilla dough. This is where I am going to put my tortilla wrapper, and I am going to flour it so that my tortilla wrapper will not stick to it. And now it is the time to flour our work surface, because we are going to roll our tortilla dough out. So this is how I roll my dough to keep it round. Notice how my hand and my rolling pin work. My right hand is holding the rolling pin loosely, and my left hand is rolling it out and maneuvering the dough. So we are going to roll this dough into a tortilla wrapper. Is it not what we are going or making? Yeah, so roll this until it resembles like into a real tortilla wrapper. Well, anyway, this is real homemade tortilla wrapper. So yeah, we are going to roll it very thinly. So I am not cutting the video. I mean this part, the rolling, I am not cutting it, so that you'll see how I roll it and keep it round, and how I roll it into a very thin tortilla dough. After rolling the dough, it is very important that we are going to cover it to keep the dough moist. After all the rolling, we are going to put it aside covered, and we are going to prepare the ingredients for the tortilla wrap. We have our grilled chicken. It has cooled down, and I have mango, I have Havarti crumbled cheese, and I have avocado sliced and avocado mashed, and tomato and lettuce. So all ingredients are ready. It is time to cook the tortilla wrappers. Yeah, we cannot cook the tortilla wrappers before we prepare the rest of the ingredients. The tortilla wrappers has to be the last to be cooked. So the pan should be really hot. I put mine on level 7, in between level 7 to 8. If you're going to cook it in low, it will make the tortilla wrapper it will make the tortilla wrapper dry, and we don't want a dry tortilla wrapper. We want it soft and moist. Yeah, so making the fire or the heat really hot, so that would keep our our tortilla wrappers moist and soft. So this is now cooked. Actually, this is okay, but I wanted to have a little kind of brown blisters on my tortilla wrappers, so I'm gonna cook it a little bit more, like few seconds more. And don't also overcook it, because if you overcook it, it's gonna become like crackers. Yeah, it's gonna become crispy and dry. So if you want crackers, then cook it a little bit more. Tortilla crackers. See, my tortilla. Yeah, my tongue is twisted now. So right when you take out the wrappers from the pan, you're going to put it into a plate or a container and cover it right away to keep the moisture in. It is very important, always cover from the very first step, right? There we have it, tortilla wrapper, whole wheat tortilla wrappers. I'm only showing two because this is the leftover, because right when I'm done cooking, I had to make lunch for the kids because they were hungry. So basically, we're just going to wrap all the ingredients. First, I put the mashed avocado. The mashed avocado is seasoned and topped with the rest of the ingredients plus the special sauce. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to film the wrapping because my phone memory was up. I am very sorry for that, and I hope that you learned something from this video. And if you like this video, please give me some thumbs up. If you're not my subscriber yet, please click the subscribe button and also the bell notification so that you will not miss any of my upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll hope to see you next time on my next video. Bye bye and stay safe.